Ay, nandito na naman kami.
Noah. Na feature ka na.
Parang every week nandito kami. Yeah.
Sa video.
Yeah.
Parang yung sa undertone, lalagyan mo yung poster. Yes, sinabi mo yung undertone.
She's a Caitlin Clark fan.
In Clark, favorite is color red. That's why I wear red.
Nag-English siya.
This is the favorite color of Caitlin Clark and also blue. That's why I'm looking for a jersey. Number 22, Indiana Fever. Yes! May visa ba tayo sa Indiana? Okay. Yeah. I hope to see you soon. I like jersey but I don't like sando. I like t-shirt.
Any jersey.
Ito, mamaya manonood kami ng sine, yung Colony, my favorite, Zombie. Tapos ayun no, nasa starstruck ako dun sa artista, si Gladys Reyes. Sana malapitan namin. Kaya lang nakakahiya eh.
Wala lang, manonood ng sine, excited, nakagala, during day off.
So, sino yan? So, may nakita. So, may artista kanina dito.
Yeah.
Tapos, si Mama and si Lola. Super fans silang dalawa. So, ayun. Nagpa-picture sila. I'll show it here. Ang funny kasi si Lola yung sumisignal kay Gladys kanina.
Wala nang hiya-hiya. Dapat
Eh,
di ka na
kasi-
may hiya.
Kung kilala mo na ako. Ano yung order ko na, yung combo order ko here sa pag nanonood tayo ng movie. Kailangan specific with drink.
Grabe naman yung drinks. Sige, X bucket with flavor ng sour cream. And then drinks na sabaw. AW.
Yung ano na lang, Sprite, dalawa.
In concern na,
Yeah.
an additional
Anong nafe-feel mo, Mrs.?
Eto, kinakabahan. Baka meron may putik na lang na lumabas dito na zombie.
Ayaw mo nun?
Exciting!
Okay. So, currently, I'm in MOA. I'm waiting for Hubs. And his sister, I think they're gonna buy essentials kasi they're going to Cavite again tomorrow. I think I'm gonna treat this as a solo date kasi I'm all alone while I'm waiting. So, okay, so right now I'm in Koi, which is the only place na onti yung tao. So, yeah, I'm finally having my milk tea after so long. I haven't had milk tea in I think in months kasi I've been drinking coffee more than milk tea. So, medyo nag-die down yung creaminess ng milk tea nila. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Sound 30, but I am 30, so I'm trying to, practice talking more and being confident in vlogging. Kasi it's been a while since I started vlogging and I don't know if I'm that confident yet. But, we're gonna try. What do you do when you're alone? In MOA or in a mall? So, ayun. O nga pala guys, before I forget, Hirona will release a new plushie, which is yung dragon. This one. Diba ang cute? Like, anyway, ayan, ang cute niya. So, we're gonna see if meron dito sa Pop Mart. I also wanted this one ever since, yung Kodak na Hirono. But it's not available here. Also guys, oh my god, I don't know if you saw this, but Fully Booked is open in NAIA Terminal 3. So what do you guys think about Ariana's new song? Ako kasi personally, I like it. I love that the song is very vulnerable. This single is not about a lover. It's not about someone in, it's not about, I don't know what's his name, the boyfriend. Yung SpongeBob, it's about the fans. Yun, yung song na yun, anyway, going back, yung song na yun, yung Hate That I Made You Love Me, it's for the fans. Yung mga, mga ibang fans na, I'm playing the song. Anyway, it's almost a decade since I last saw her, which is yung Dangerous Woman tour. I was with my college friends, and we were in Gen Ad. What's your favorite Ariana Grande album or song? Comment down below.
Dapat naman.
Ano lasa?
Ano maglaki mo? Sarap, gano'n.
First bite. So, currently we're in MOA. Again, I'm with my parents and we're just having coffee. So, what are you drinking right now?
Choco Mint, my favorite.
Ikaw, Papa, what are you drinking?
Caramel macchiato.
Is it good?
Good.
Very good.
We're currently in Pikes. So, it's been a while since my parents and I went out. Ayun, Hubs is in Cavite again. And, ayun, I was bored, so I decided to invite my parents to go out. Ayun. Kami bang pupuntahan kundi Mall of Asia? So, MOA baka naman. So, yun. Ayan. Thanks, Dad. To buy sour cream popcorn kasi I'm gonna watch, ano yan, yung movie ni Kiki Palmer and SZA? Them Days? I don't know. Yun nasa Netflix. So later I'm gonna watch it. And I need popcorn. Anytime. Currently at Nene Chicken. We're currently in Makati. We're not in MOA. For a change. Okay, so we're gonna do taste test. Masarap yung flavor. Bulgogi chicken.
Sarap Korean nila kung sa'yo binibili yung 24. Ayoko ng 24 chicken.
Lasang manok. It's been a while since I went to Makati. Kasi palagi akong MOA. As you all saw on my vlog.
Hindi
Of
rainbow.
course, we're gonna have corn. My favorite. I have corn. Mom's gonna treat us dessert. Kayo?
Masarap yan, oh. Ano, best-selling froyo.
Nandyan ka naman eh. What's your go-to yogurt place? Pag walang BLK, I go to red mango. And then, pag nasa MOA, either Yao Yao or yan, pink berry. Ayoko talaga naggagala dito sa Ayala. Parang ang dami-daming tao.
Kaya puro hayop. Kaysa naman puro hayop ang nagagala.
Anong order mo, ma'am?
Mango Jubilee.
Kailangan mo daw kumanta ng Jubilee song.
Hindi ko memorize yun.
So guys, may taters dun sa likod ko. I'm thinking if I should buy yung order ni Kyla D, which is half barbecue, half sour cream with 1 scoop ng butter. Okay, I'll buy. Okay, orders here. Mango Jubilee and I don't know what it's called. Yung sa akin, dalawang mochi with caramel shell. So we're now in Glorieta 4. Grabe, ang laki na ng improvement ng Glorieta 4. May 4 na A-Giant cinemas na sila. So, nandito kami ngayon sa secluded area. Yung mga madaming chairs. Kasi, wala kaming maupuan sa Ayala.
Niladalo namin. Nung maliit ka, lagi ka nandiyan sa time zone tsaka glikos nung araw.
Hindi kids at work yun. May iniiwan yung ako dun.
Glikos. Nung maliit ka, glikos, hindi mo na matandaan yun.
Ay, malaki na ako nun.
Pero nung maliit ka, glikos.
Doon ako nagkaroon ng friends eh. For me, I like red mango more than Yao Yao. But I like BLK. If Yao Yao and BLK lang yung option.
Korean restaurant.
I'm gonna buy 1 Grogu, Pop Martoy, and Fully Booked. So now, I'm contemplating if I should buy popcorn. Bibili ba ang popcorn? Yes or no?
Naku, wag na.
Look, Mom. I'm on TV. Anyway. So now we're going home. Napapoops na ako.
Bakit doon may bucket?
So right now, we're gonna watch...
Akin na yan.
We're gonna watch Backrooms.
Doon ka na.
Mamaya na nga. Okay.
Ito na yung background.
So right now, we're gonna watch Backrooms. Hala, room pa yun, diba?
Kasi nga.
Alam mo, nanonood sila ng Backrooms. Sure ba sila? Joke lang. Let's go. So, we're currently in MOA again. Yung vlog ko, umikot lang lahat sa MOA. I don't buy physical books, which na-miss ko na din magbasa ng physical. I have pa naman, so sa aking book, ito daw basahin ko. Wow! Tanong mo sa nanay ko kung dalaga naman. Ito tayo sa
Sephora. He's Sephora.
This is my Sephora daw. Toasted coconut cream. So we're currently in Carmen's Best while we're waiting for the queue in Mendocoro. So yeah, we're gonna try yung ano. Kuya, pwedeng pa try yung Brazilian coffee.
I guess this is mine.
Yeah. So here's our order. Thanks, Hubs. Toasted coconut cream. Let's see if it's good. This is. This is yung Brazilian coffee. Asang ano? Kape. Brazilian coffee nga eh. Let's go.
Parang iniwasan ko na rin.
Gonna try the... Ano to? Coconut cream. Oh. Laki narinig. We're gonna have ramen. Which is exciting. Naka-excite. Hubs also bought me a Girl Go keychain. Grabe, ibang level na yung pagka-addict sa Mandalorian, no? So, dapat may season 4 yun. Kasi kung walang season 4, para saan pa lahat ng merch? Let's try. Yan. Coconut cream. Sarap! Nasang coconut? Malamang. Ooh. Ito yung sinaserve na ice cream sa flight ng PAL. Yung Carmen's best. We watched Backrooms kanina. It was fun. Mas nakakatakot yung part na nawawala ka dun sa mismong rooms compared to the monsters inside. Tapos yung mga rooms, parang bawat open mo ng pinto, ibang room. Tapos pinakita yung swimming pool. Anong level kaya? In-search ko sa Google. Yun yung papaanto ko sa TikTok pag lumalabas yung mga rooms ng swimming pool. Tapos tumatakbo-takbo lang yung character doon. Ayun. It's a good movie. It's weird. That's a typical A24 movie. Yung matatapos yung movie na mind blown ka without any proper explanation. Or you go do a show and tell of what you got in Funko Pop.
So I bought another Star Wars Funko Pops. So if you're familiar to the Mandalorian series, so I bought the armorer. Ta-da-da-da! So, ayan.
Si Armorer, yung gumagawa ng weapons and armor. Ano bang gagawin niya?
So this limited edition Funko Pop 2025 exclusive si Lotcat. So, yan. Lotcat with a pink sparkle covering her or him. Kung hindi ko lang alam kung anong gender niya.
Siya ba ang pusa ni Lot de Leon?
Hindi. The last one. Shang-Chi. So, another Star Wars Jedi. Shang-Chi. So, yan.
Si Shakti.
Don't forget our mostly beloved Grogu characters. So I bought Hubs a pair, so we could put it in our keys or kahit saan.
Yeah. Pero baka sa Kiko ilagay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hubs. Congrats on your new Funkos. Pwede bang laruin ng Funko Pop?
Pwede, it's up to you if you're a collector.
Hindi mo siya laruin.
Hindi naman, syempre, Funko Pop is playable or not. It's up to you. Ikaw naman yung may-ari ng Funko Pop. Play it. Ikaw naman ang bumili, so you decide what to do.
Huh?
I'm just explaining to them kung anong if playable ba yung Funko Pop or not. Sabi ko, since you bought this, you bought the Funko Pop yourself. And it's up to you. You decide if you're going to play it or you're going to collect it.
Fair point.
What makes you happy? Yan na lang. What makes you happy?
Therefore, nonetheless, that up what?
So if you're happy collecting it and then...
And you know it.
And then good for you.
And then clap your hands.
If you want.
Yeah. If you're happy and you know it.
Wala namang magja-judge.
Naman, di tinutuloy yung ano eh. Okay, so we're now in Mendocoro. Finally gonna eat dinner. Yay. Hindi naman narinig. This is the best ramen, sabi ko.
Yeah.
Compared to ramen, to the other ramen places.
I guess so. For us.
Yeah.
Tapos pag nakikita yung mga ganun.
First, go sa bite.
Ito na, laway-laway katulad to.
Okay, so we're done eating. At I'm so full. Hubs is gonna buy yung facial, ano niya, ha? So yun, we're currently in the, ano to? The Neutrogena section. So now we're on the way to the photo booth. Kasi yun lang naman yung nagawa ko today.
Photo booth.
Oh yeah.
Inis na yan.
Ayan. Hindi na naubos yung pila dito sa photo booth na to.
Ano bang napapala mo sa kaka-photo booth? Eh, pare-pares lang naman silang strip na photo.
Wala, yung memory. Kasi pag tumanda tayo, alam mo yun, parang
Okay.
pag sinakop na tayo ng alien, makikita tayo ng next human race na, ay, mahilig sila mag-photo booth.
Talagang naipasok pa yung human alien na yan. Alien race.
Correct. Ulit yung 40 minutes na
Oo.
parang bad trip ka. Anong sabi ni Kuya? Pag akit niyo po ng escalator, kumaliwa kayo, tapos kumanang kayo dun sa unang hallway, tapos kumaliwa ulit kayo dun sa may Get the world in my hand. I'll cut na this vlog here. We're going home na. It was a very eventful week again. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. See you again soon.